Hello everyone, so now we are going to do the FortiGate firewall. As per our student request, we are bringing this playlist. In this one we are going to do FortiGate firewall. Okay, so in this one we need to install the FortiGate firewall. We will use the GNS3 EVNG and also we are going to install in the VMware. So we are going to use the three method to do this one. Okay, so now if you see, I already installed here FortiGate firewall. But anyhow, first we will see how I can install the FortiGate firewall in the EVNG. If you see, I hope you already know how to use the EVNG. We have already EVNG here. This is the IP I am getting here, 192.168.2.192. So I will type that here and I log in here. This is my dashboard. If I do right click node here, you can type here FortiGate. If you see, this is a grayed out. I don't have any FortiGate firewall here. Okay, so what I will do, I will add. We can go to the FortiGate service and support, create your account and download from there. Or if you need, we can give you, no issue. You can WhatsApp us. I hope you have our updated WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp us. We will share you the link. From there you can download the image. So if you see here, I already download here. Let me show you this one. This is a KVM switch. KVM image. This is a COW2. So now we will look how we can install. First of all, I will go to the EVNG naming. Okay, so EVNG naming, here we will go and we will check what name we need to give to the firewall FortiGate. So we need to follow here, because for the QEMU images we need to look here, whatever they mention we need to put that one. If you see, this is a firewall, so we need to write the folder name should be this one. So I will copy this. I will go here. Let me change this folder name as this one. Okay, and here I can write here I can write firewall and the version is 7.7.0.2. so just I create the folder name and inside I have the image. This image name is this one, FortiGate. Okay, so I need to change this image name. We need to keep that name as per this one. So I will copy this one. Will show something is here. Just we need to copy and go here. Just select and press F2 and paste here like this. So and go when back this folder where we change this one. So this one we need to upload in the EVNG. So how we can upload? We can use the WinSCP. If you remember, we have the WinSCP. WinSCP we already installed. So you can see here. This is a WinSCP. If you see here, when I open the WinSCP, he is asking me. So I need to look this IP. Okay, if I have already session here, this one, so I will click this. I already set up, so just I will press login. Okay, I will press here. He is asking update. Okay, so this one, when I open, I need to go in this location, OPT unit lab add-ons QEMU. Okay, when we go in the QEMU, we need to upload the image. I have the ASA here, Big IP, ICE, we have the Palo Alto, we have the Windows 7 server, all I have. So now I need to put the FortiGate, this one. So what I will do, I have here, just drag like this and drop here. Okay, drag and drop here, it will upload here. So it will upload here in this location, but follow the naming. Okay, this naming you need to follow. This is a FortiGate. If you WhatsApp us, I will make the changes, I will give you. Just you need to drag and drop here. Okay, no need to worry about the naming also. I already changed, it is ready. Just WhatsApp us, we are going to share you this image. Okay, so now it is there already. After that, what we need to do, we need to allow the permission command. So I will go here, FAQ question. If you see this one, I need to copy. This is the permission command. When we change anything in the EVNG, we need to go here and write. So I will write root and then EVE. Okay, root EVE, and here I will go in the edit and paste this one and press enter. That's all, and wait some time. And then what we can do, what we done, we done the permission command. Okay, so whenever you upload any image or if you modify anything inside the EVNG drive, just we need to select here and put that permission command and press enter. We already done that one. Okay, after that we can go here in our dashboard and press right click and add node. If you type here FortiGate, you will get this one. Okay, and this is a version 7.0.2, the latest version. And after that, don't change anything, just select. It will consume 1 GB of RAM. Okay, it will consume 1 GB of RAM. Just press save. You will have the FortiGate. Take any cloud here, select the cloud 0. This is a management cloud, this is a NAT one, so we will get the IP from the NAT. Okay, so just click here, connect here, port 1. Remember, here we are using the port 1. Save this one, start the FortiGate. It will start, and just double click here, it will open here. Open this console and wait for 2-3 minutes. Okay, it will open and it will reload. Okay, we need to wait for some time. So I will arrange this here, and meanwhile, where is that console? Here it will load. So if you see, this is the serial number of that one. Okay, and we need to wait for 2-3 minutes. After that, it will go down and it will come up. If you see, they are asking me login. By default, admin is a username. We don't have any password. Just press enter. When you press enter, they will ask you to put the password. I will put the password as admin. Okay, again they are asking, I will put admin. So now I put admin. You can put whatever you want. Just try to remember that password. After that, I will write show system interface and press enter. If you see show system interface, when you type, this is a port 0. Okay, the port 0 which we connected to the NAT here. So this port 0 here allow only ping, HTTPS, SSH and FGM. Only this is allowed. So we need to add here HTTPS without S, because we are not using a port 443, we are using port 80. So we need to add here HTTP and also telnet. So how we can add? We have one procedure we can add. What we can do here, let me write the command here. We will write here, what we will do, we need to go to the configuration system interface. Okay, we need to go to the configuration system interface here. So I will type this here. When I type, just I copy here. Okay, just I copy this one, configuration system interface, and type here. I go inside the system interface. After that, where we need to go? We need to go inside the port 1. So we will use this one, edit port 1, and I will paste this here. So now I am inside the port 1. After that, what is here available? This one, right? So I will copy this one and we will add here. I will paste this here, and we need to add also. What I will add? Here I will add HTTP and telnet. Okay, then press enter. After that, you can write END end, and now you can check. You can write show system information and press enter. If you see, before we don't have HTTP, now we added this one, and also we added telnet. So now it will work. So after that, what we can do, we need to check what is the IP. How we will check? We will write show system interface and press question mark. When you press question mark, you will get the IP. This is the IP. Okay, 192.168.2.137. We get this IP from the DSCP. So we need to copy this IP, go to the browser, paste this here, and press enter here. Now you can see this is a dashboard for FortiGate. What username we have? We have the admin, and password we give as a admin. Okay, it will open here and say close, and here never save, and here if you want to change anything, host name, password, we can change, or you can press later. It will open here. You will have one introduction video here. If you want to see, you can see, or press OK. You will have this option here. This is a dashboard of FortiGate. Okay, this is a dashboard of FortiGate. Later we are going to learn how we can connect. Example, in our scenario we will do this way. Let me move this here. We will imagine this is our management, right? With this one we can manage. So this one we are saying this is a management interface. Now we can connect one router here, our LAN interface. We can connect our another router. This is a WAN interface, ISP, and we can perform the lab. We can configure the policy, everything we are going to learn. Now just I will refresh this one, and if you see, this is our dashboard of the FortiGate. What we can do here, we are getting the graph, everything is there here. You can go here, interface, and you can create the interface. If you see, this is the interface. FortiGate interface is having 4. If you want to increase, you can increase, but you need to stop this and then add the interface. Example, I will go here. Where is the FortiGate here? Let me go. This is a FortiGate. Here interface, if you want 16, 15, whatever, you can increase like that. But anyhow, now 4 is sufficient for our lab. So this is a port 1. Port 1 is allow ping, HTTPS, SSH, HTTP, and whatever is allow. Here it is mentioned. If you want to allow another port also, you can allow. Okay, depend what you need to do. If you want to open, just double click this one, it will open this feature. What you want to give, example, I want to give this port 1 as a name, some name I need to give. Just double click here and go here, right here, MGMT. This is a management interface. Okay, just I give the alias. Alias is nothing but name, just to identify that one. And we are getting the IP from the DSCP. This is IP, we get this from the DSCP. And here whatever we allow, if you don't want to allow, you can uncheck. Whatever you need to do, you can do, and press OK. When you press OK, immediately changes will be affected. It is not like in the Palo Alto you need to go and you need to press commit. But in the FortiGate, when you apply, immediately it will take over. No need to wait, no need to do. Whenever you press OK, apply, immediately it will affect. Changes will be affect immediately. Like in the Palo Alto, we are going here, we are writing the commit, but here immediately. And if you want to access the CLI, you can click this one, you will get the CLI also. Like just now we are accessing the CLI, double click this, you can access the CLI from here also, right? You can access the CLI this way also, or if you want to access from GUI side, from here you can access. How you will access? You will go here, you will click here, you have the CLI. You can write here show system interface, and you can press, you will get all the system interface. We can do this way also. And if you don't need, just cross this one, so it will go. So what else you can do here? You just now I changed the name alias. If you see, it is coming MGMT. Imagine for port 2 I need to use for LAN purpose. So I will double click here. I will give this is a LAN. Okay, I want to assign any IP here, I can assign. Imagine I want to assign like 192.168.1.100 and I will give /24. Okay, this is my IP for the LAN network. And what I need to allow here, I need to allow only ping command, just for testing purpose. Okay, and then what else I need to do? I can apply, I can say okay. So I assign the IP. If you see LAN, that is a port 2 and this is the IP. Imagine I want to configure the port 3 as a WAN. So I will double click this one. I go here, I will write here WAN. Okay, WAN, and what I can do here, IP I can assign, I will assign 192.168.2.100. Imagine 2.100 I am giving /24. And WAN side, what we have here, port 1 conflict the IP, port 1 is having what? Port 1 is having IP, maybe port 1, let's see, port 1 is using 2. Yeah, because this one is 2, so what we can give here, instead of 2 I can give 3. Okay, because our management IP is 2 dot something, so that's why I change here. So just we need to remember, what we need to remember, 192.168.3.100 is our which port? The WAN port, port 3. Just press OK. So now you can see this is a LAN port, this is a management port, this is a WAN port, and we have the IP. In WAN port we did not enable anything. In the LAN port we enable only the ping. If you want, you can take 2 router. Let me show you. I will delete this. I will take 2 router. Let me take 2 router. How we can take? Let me take this router. I will take 2. I will give name LAN or anything whatever you want to give. It will consume 512 MB. And press OK. You have 2. Let me keep one here. Okay, and I will change this name. I will change this name as a LAN. Okay, LAN, and just save this one. I will do this one as a WAN. I will change this one as a WAN here. That's all. What else we can do? We can write the IP schema. We can connect, but in the EVNG, this one we cannot connect directly. We need to switch off. In the GNS3, it is easy. We can connect directly. Or if you take the Pro edition of the EVNG, we can connect directly. Or there is a PNet lab also. We can use that one to connect directly. But anyhow, I will switch off this one. Okay, I switch off this one. I will connect this. Remember, port 2 for the LAN. So this is a port 2. So this is okay. And we told port 3 for the WAN. So I will connect this port 3 to the WAN. Okay, and what IP schema we give here? Let me write here. So in our next class, we can do the lab. Remaining lab, I will write the IP schema. So here I can give here like 192.168.1.100, I think, /24. And if you want to increase the size, write here 15. write bold and write here any color, whatever color you want to select. That's all. So this is this side you have this IP. Okay, in the firewall this side you have this IP, and this side you have the I remember which one we have the 3 dot, right? Here will be 3. So this side is 3 dot something you have, and in the management, let me move this management cloud here. I can give here the IP. I did not remember what is the IP for the management side. This IP 2.137. So I can go here 2.137. So I will write here 2.137. Okay, so this is the initial beginning, the basic lab, just for the beginner who don't know anything for the firewall. We are going to start the FortiGate. In this one you will learn so many things. I hope you already watch our CCNA series and you are happy with that one. So now I think you will also happy for this series also, because in this one also we are going to do so many things. Okay, so this is the topology we are going to use, and if you want I will put this here. This side I will keep the IP as a 1.1. okay, this side is 1.1, and here this side, imagine this is a ISP. okay, so here I can give you this side, I will give you 3.1. okay, this side, let me move this here. This side what we have 3.100, right? Let me show you. If you have confusion, let me show you, no problem, because I want to make clear. See here this side, or let me on this firewall, it will boot up very fast. No need to wait long time. If it is taking some time, we will wait. If you see here, this side is 1.100 in the port 2, port 3 is a 3.100, and opposite will be whatever we are using here 3.100. so here should be 3.1 I am using, here 1.100, then here should be I will use 1.1. okay, this way. Here is 1.1, 1.100, 3.100, 3.1, and here will be 2.137, whatever we get from the DHCP server, this one. Okay, still it is loading, and if you want to confirm, you can double click this one and check it is started or not. It is started. If you want to check admin, and admin we write username and password, and it is working. So now it should be load, and if you want to check the IP, show system interface and press question mark, you will get the IP. Now any IP change here, let's see what is the IP for the port 1. okay, if you see IP address change here, that's why we are getting the different thing here. If you see what is the IP address for the port 1, or let me type here again this one, you can see here, this is a port 1, we get the IP 2.115. That's why it is not opening here. So I need to go here, I need to write here 2.115. so I will change here 2.115, because I am using DHCP, it will change the IP. So I will put here admin, admin and then enter. And now what I will do, I will go here, and in this one I can go to the interface. Where is the interface? Network and interface. I can remove this management from the DHCP. Let me double click here, because this is changing, so I want to keep manually. Okay, so I will go here in the manual, I will put the old IP. What IP we plan here? Here 2.137. so let me give this 2.137. 2.137. okay, everything is same, just I changed 2.137. okay, let me press apply. You are currently connected to this interface. Are you sure you want to do? Yes. So we will lose the connectivity. okay, we will lose the connectivity. We need to again put this IP 2.137. so now I cannot access now. I think if I refresh it will not work, or if I click anything it will not work. So I need to type 2.137. so I will go here, I will type here 2.137. see, page cannot be displayed, so I will write 2.137 and I will press enter. So now I have again I will write here admin and admin, so it will open. okay, later, and here no need this one, here never, here okay. Now we have here inside. Now we can go to the network, and if you see here I put the manually. okay, this is a management interface, This is a management interface, this one, and if you see, this is a manually I assign the IP. Every time when we switch off, switch on, it is changing, so we need to change here all the time. So what I done, just I assign the IP manually. Okay, so with this one, I hope it is clear for you. Thank you very much for seeing our channel. See you, bye.